Welcome everybody to the Family DIY channel. Today I'm going to show you how to drain out your Coleman Spa. So every so often you're going to want to actually drain out all the water in your spa because you want to make sure it's nice and fresh, get it ready for the season. You have a couple options you can do. So if you see down here at the very bottom, it's kind of ripply so you can't see it, there's a drain plug. All you have to do is just pull that drain plug out and it will slowly start to drain. So then after you pull this part off the little cap, right here, you'll expose that, and you're going to need to come over to this side right here, and then just open this up, and all the water will start coming out. Make sure you don't lose this. You can always just put it up top here in the little cup holder thing. At least that's what I call it, and you won't lose it. So after quite a while, you'll have a nice empty spa. Another option you can do is you can always just unhook this right here and then the water will just start dumping out. So this area here, you'll have two drain areas that'll be dumping out, so it'll be nice and rapid. But that's only if you want to take this actually off. And then don't forget, if you're going to be taking that side off, open these up and then do not cover these things with the included covers. And then for the next option is you can use your garden hose. You can drop it in there and then find the other end wherever that was at. So with one end in the water, you take the other end and you start sucking the water out this way. Once you get enough water through, keep it down low to the ground, and this is a simple siphon that will pull the water out, down the hose, and out the bottom. That's another option you can do, but just remember you're going to be getting some of that water into your mouth and then that'll pull it out, the simple gravity feed. At a certain point you will run out of the suction going across, so you'll probably have to just tip this thing over or use a drain plug at the bottom. And then finally, if you are completely done with your Coleman Spa and you don't want to use it anymore, just go at it with a knife or rip open the sides and flood your yard. That will make it a lot more fun. So if this video has been useful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out all of our other great videos about the inflatable Coleman Spa.